This is the flour,
so bad.
sugar, brown sugar, and I think this is baking powder and baking soda. So,
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, you're done.
so Riley is finished
It smells like powder though.
mixing the oats,
Blending the oats.
blending the oats, I mean. And
More.
that time he was smelling it. And he's still mixing.
Okay.
Let's go on. There's the butter that if you can see. Okay, now you can see.
Eek.
My mama is helping
butter.
Riley to put
All of the butter.
in the
All of the
bowl.
butt and the dirt. Button.
Get the spatula is here.
I was like, this should be the SpongeBob spatula. You know, like, okay, what spatula?
Yeah, and then after that, I think it will be the eggs. 4 eggs.
There ain't more eggs here.
Here. The butter and sugar. Let me just put the spatula. How do you cream the butter and sugar?
I don't know. I never baked before.
I think you need to pour the sugar there.
Are we gonna do all of them?
Wait, guys.
For the
Riley, can
whole
you put
sugar?
it? Right. No, me. I want to.
You never poured.
I'm going to put in a half.
First you have.
And
Now
then
mix
it's.
them.
Oh dear.
Oh my god, doesn't work.
Okay, this is not noisy. It's a
Okay.
bit heavy though.
Who's going to do it? Micah or us?
Me.
I'll try because I never did. Or do you bake with that? So Micah is mixing the sugar and butter together. A little, that means all of them.
Oh, slowly.
Slowly.
Ah, it's so hard.
How would you do like that? Yeah, my
I get
favorite.
like dark chocolate.
Yeah.
Mix it, mix it.
Just put a bit more. Okay, that's enough now.
Yummy.
Hershey bar.
No.
No. This. Are you putting 9 pieces?
With the 10 minutes, this is the cookie look like.
Is it hard? Because I really want
Still hot.
So it's still hot. And these cookies are so delicious. So this is not just baked cookie. Riley's brilliant.
Oh, sorry about that.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Okay, next here.
7. Huh? Cookies. And the cookies are so beautiful, but it's still hot. Nom nom nom. The cookies. When you touch it, I hope it will be not hot, but it's soft. Oh, I like it. And we're going to wait for our other cookies. Riley, what it tastes?
Tastes good.
So it tastes good. This is Riley's bite. It's so hard. Let me try one.
Yeah, thank you very much. Good girl. Good.
It's with peanut. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So see you later, guys. Bye.